Morning boys and girls, welcome back to the Tube. Today we're back at RT Fit, the most aesthetic gym in the game, for a upper session today. Today's Thursday, normally it's a push. I don't think I'm training on Saturday, so we're doing a little bit of a combination thing. Started off with a cable ab crunch, I'll show you that. Then went onto a cable lateral raise lying, which I'll show you. If you remember the last video I did on the pull, talking about the rear delt fly and how I'm setting that up so that it's challenging in that stretch position, exactly the same on the cable lateral. Trying to sit quite close to the cables so that when I'm here, there's pretty much a right angle between the cable and my arm, therefore it's going to be pretty heavy, challenging that stretch, which feels freaking awesome. And now we're on to a low incline dumbbell press, which last week went pretty horrendously. So hopefully a bit more stability this week. Let's see how it goes. That was so unbelievably unstable. It was all over the shop. Bursting. Is that heavy? Alright, so DB press went pretty bloody well. It's still a bit weak in comparison to what I used to do when I was a big man thing, yeah? But it was pretty good today. 2 reps up from last week, which is nice. Now onto a bit of a single arm pull down. I absolutely smoked upper back. You what? Sorry mate, yeah. Oopsie daisies. What was I saying? Yeah, on Tuesday we absolutely smoked upper back, so more lat work today. Tops it off nicely. Bursting. Right chaps, on to the final compound movement of the day. Last chest / push movement as well, but this is a little bit different. This is a tricep focused press, so going tucked elbow, hand pretty much at the top of these handles, and you'll notice that starts to create a distance between my elbow and the load, therefore tricep bosh. So we'll see how this goes. Did this last week, but I didn't quite get the seat height right, so this might be a little bit different. I'm so hungry. I had to do a quick jam sarm scran this morning. No regular porridge ingestion. Triple layer jam sarnie on a bit of tiger bread. Right, that is the session Dunsky. Apologies for the rogue lighting here. Very good session, to be fair, for a upper session that I've not ran in quite a while. See the crew. So yeah, a little debrief on where training is currently at. Obviously, just coming out of a dieting phase now, so I'm at my lowest body weight in ages, like 91.5 kilos-ish. And I'm trying to put it back on, but it's kind of being a bit stubborn. So training wise is a bit of a adjusted split. We've got push on a Monday, pull on a Tuesday with a hip hinge, so more of a posterior session. Wednesday rest, Thursday, which is today, which was this upper session. Sometimes it's just a push session, and I'll do pull on Saturday, depending on whether I can actually get in or not. And then Friday is the leg session. So similar to what we've ran before, but a little bit of difference and a little bit of priority put towards the old chesty poo, because even though it grew quite a lot last off season, still needs a bit of work. So yeah, that's the current split. In terms of the rest of my life, feeling pretty groovy. See you in the next tube. Ciao.